Hey guys, Jack here. I have a quick little video that I shot this morning, did some editing on that I'm going to share on MeWe. And I thought I'd do double duty with it and show you how to make sure that when you share content on MeWe, if you would like other people to be able to see it other than your contacts, if you would like your friends to be able to share it with their friends, that you're doing that right. I was wondering why so much content was showing up and the little option to share it wasn't there. So if you look here, for instance, you can see that this person posted this video, and there's no way for me to share it. If you go down here, you can see this video here, posted by Tanya. I can share her video with my contacts. So what is the difference here? In Facebook, which is what most of us are familiar with, you go into your profile, and you set up how you want your default to be. MeWe has defaulted to privacy, which it's a little confusing, but I would rather a company default to our privacy than default to sharing our data. So MeWe makes it big on privacy. So here's how we do that. Let's go get the video I want to share. I found a couple rat snakes. Y'all probably seen this one already. And so I'm just going to grab, I'm outside of where I'm recording, so you guys can't see this, but I'm just going to grab the URL. I'm not going to do it in bed or anything. And I'm going to come up here and do what most of y'all do when you share a video. Bam, I'm just going to paste it. MeWe will do its thing. While it's doing its thing, I'm going to jump back here and grab the text that I wrote up for the video and just drop that into just because I want to. So you don't really need to worry about that, but that's what I'm going to... Well, you know what? That text is already in there, isn't it? Now, when you put a link in MeWe like that and it does this thing by itself, you can delete that link up there and it won't cause any problems. Now, here's the issue. Right here is where you decide whether you want this to be a public or a private post. So if you select my contacts, only your contacts are going to see it. When you select public, then you can check this little box here. It says set as default for new timeline posts. Once you do that, it will default to public. You can always come in here and set it back to private, but you can see it's grayed out, but that little checkbox is still there. So your next one is going to go back. So that means that if you do happen to post something and it's something for your family and friends only, you can always manually change it. And it's up to you. You can leave it here or you can leave it here. Once you remove that, so either you've defaulted it to public or by default you've defaulted it to your contacts only. This is why this is important. We're trying to grow MeWe, and the number one complaint that I've heard on MeWe is what? I get on MeWe and no one's there. No one friends me up. No one finds me. And I've been pulling people in like crazy and wondering why my feed's not growing faster, and now I understand. Because here's what's happening sometimes. I think, I'm not sure, but I think if you say only your contacts on MeWe, if someone has this set and you and them have contacts in common, it'll let you share it, but only to them. I'm not sure about that, but I think maybe that's the case. Anyway, my personal opinion is if we want MeWe to grow, and we want our presence on MeWe to grow, and we want to reach more people, and we want people to find us, then we want to go ahead and share publicly. And the nice thing is we can always default back to sharing to our contacts only with things that we would like to keep private, or sharing within private groups if we really want to keep things private. We can just post directly to that group and not allow sharing outside of it. So they've given us all the options, but I think day to day, if you're posting news articles, if you're posting memes, if you're posting YouTube videos, most of that stuff's all public anyway, so I don't know why you wouldn't want to share it beyond your contact list. This is classic networking. If we're going to get people to follow us back and look at our content, we want to be public with our content. So there you go. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to go ahead and make this post now public so you guys can share it. Like I said, if you are following me on MeWe, you probably already saw this one earlier today. But I'll go ahead and get this video uploaded, and hopefully it'll help some people get the most out of MeWe.